We've previously checked out the Tribit range of headphones and we've always been very impressed with what they can deliver at a budget-friendly price. Considering all the different ANC headphones out there cost 4 to 5 times the price. Today we're taking a look at the latest offering of Tribit's range of ANC headphones and to see if this one is an improvement to the Tribit QuietPlus 50 that we've checked out previously. Welcome to a review of the Tribit QuietPlus 78. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Tribit QuietPlus 78. Having tested the previous QuietPlus 50, I think that was a pretty impressive headphone for its price of about 60 US. Today we're taking a look at the latest of the QuietPlus bunch, the QuietPlus 78. Tribit has very graciously sent me the QuietPlus 78, which is the latest of their line of ANC headphones for me to review. Although they have sent me these headphones, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these headphones. These headphones retail for about 325 Malaysia ringgit and that is about US 80. If you're interested in getting these headphones, do check out my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. Going back to the Tribit X3 Tunes time, the 78 also comes with a hard carrying pouch, which is awesome and definitely a step up compared to the soft pouch of the 50. Holding the new headphones in my hand, it definitely feels a little bit more weighty and it has a very nice dense feeling, which is what I like because I honestly don't like flimsy lightweight headphones. The material of these new headphones are the hard plastic type but has a very high quality and smooth finish overall. And if I am ever blindfolded and feel these headphones on my hands, I definitely cannot tell that these are budget range of headphones. The bulk of the weight, if you feel it, is actually at the cups of the headphones and you can feel that there should be quite a lot of technology inside these headphones. On the sides of the headphones, you get the nice Tribit branding there in a stealthy gloss black font, very nice and very classy, and the entire plate at the side actually feels like it's made out of metal and surrounding it is a nice silver chamfered finish. So on the right headphone itself, you get all the controls for your media control. So starting from the top, you get the volume up control, which also acts as the skip forward button if you hold on to it. In the middle, you get a multi-function button to play or pause your media or pick up phone calls. And below that, you get the volume down button and also to skip tracks backwards. Below that is the ANC toggle and ambient mode control, so you can toggle between ANC off, low, high as well as ambient mode. And next to that, you get a 3.5mm auxiliary jack so you can use your headphones even if the battery is dead. And lastly, a step back from the 50, you get a micro USB charging here. So the band of the QuietPlus 78 is also very sturdy, and even flexing it out to simulate that I have big hits, there are really no creaks or cracks, which is an indication that these are fantastically built headphones. The cups of the headphones are also really soft, not the memory foam type of cups, but very comfortable foam ones if you ask me. So the cups itself is not removable, so you can't swap them out if they're worn down, and inside of the cup itself you get the left and right indicator, very similar to what you get in most headphones today. Ultimately, the headphones takes about 3 hours to fully charge from zero, and although that seems like a long time, the headphones provide you with 30 hours of continuous playback time, and even if you run out of juice, you can still plug it into the 3.5mm cable and run them like traditional wired headphones, but you'll lose the function of ANC. So for a mid-range pair of ANC headphones, definitely very impressive. So the QuietPlus 78 gives you most of the modern features you come to expect from a modern headphones. The headphones features a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, no Qualcomm mentioned here this time, but the headphones does support both AAC as well as SBC audio codec. Similar to the QuietPlus 50s, I don't see anywhere specifying that the headphones are IP rated, so maybe try not to use this in places where you will get them wet, but a little sweating and all usually won't kill the headphones. Also similar to the QuietPlus 50s, the 78 also supports multi-point connectivity, so you can connect the headphones up to 2 devices and you can seamlessly swap audio between them. Listening to music on your laptop and it'll swap over automatically to your phone when you get a phone call. So pretty awesome stuff there. So the ANC on the QuietPlus 78 is pretty decent for its price point, and the cups themselves do give you pretty good passive isolation, and without any music playing, I would say it does a great job with lowering low humming noise, but does let some high-pitched chatters in, which is typical to most ANC headphones at its price point, but you can't quite compare this performance to what you get with Bose and Sony. Comparing this to what you get with the QuietPlus 50, I noticed the 50 tries to adjust the ANC a little when you move your head about. Even tilting your head to a source of noise actually changes the signature of the ANC, which is a little hit and miss for me on the 50. But the 78 is very solid and stays strong even when moving about. The good thing now is that you get variable ANC levels to adjust according to your needs, and another advantage over the 50s is the addition of ambient mode, which very subtly amplifies the surrounding sound but not overly unnatural. So it's a really nice additional feature to have on these headphones. When using these headphones, I would say it cuts out about 75% of ambient noise when at ANC high and about 50% when in ANC low. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with what these can offer for its price. The sound quality of the Tribit headphones always never disappoints, and its 40mm dynamic driver definitely pumps out some impressive sound. Bass on these are tight and punchy, but I think comparing it to QuietPlus 50, this may not be as strong. This on the other hand sounds a little bit more refined, sounds a lot more high quality. Clarity and vocal controls are also really solid with no muffling or jumbling up of audio. So far everything sounds nice and polished. The soundstage is nice and wide on this headphone and does feel like the speakers are floating above your ears, but since ANC headphones are all close back, you don't get that airy, pressureless feeling of open backs. Overall, as a pair of mid-tier ANC headphones, these really sound quite amazing. Call quality on these headphones are also very impressive and generally gets your voice through in quiet and noisy environments. Similar to the QuietPlus 50, I think the headphones doesn't reduce ambient noise too much, but your voice still comes through extremely clearly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these headphones. So this is a test to see if the Tribit QuietPlus 78 is a good headphones for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these headphones. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency control on these headphones is also extremely well, and I'm very impressed with what they can deliver. Watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is also very enjoyable, and playing games is also almost lag-free. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these headphones. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Overall, I think these headphones are quite a step up from the QuietPlus 50. The only funny downside is the micro USB on these headphones. Maybe not the biggest problem for some people, but if that doesn't bother you, then these are fantastic valued headphones. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.